Hi guys and welcome back. In one of my previous video, I showed you how to control several building heights at once. And in this tutorial, I'll go through how to create an animation showing building growth from start to end. This can be very helpful for urban designers or architects to create a quick site context using Greeble or just to show a time lapse of the project from start to finish. So let's start. Okay, so to make a start, first of all, we need to create a plane. So click on plan and drag it out. And then change these segments. So at the moment I've got only 5, maybe change this to 20 each side. And I'll just change the length, so 200 maybe on each side. Once you've created your plan, go to modify list and apply edit poly. And under the selection, click on polygon. So this is where we can decide where our buildings needs to be. You can hold the control button and select one by one, or hold the shift key, and which will allow you to basically select multiple segments at once. So I will just create a random layout. Something like this. Once you've selected your segments, go to Greeble, go to modify and apply Greeble. Now as you can see, I don't have any building height, and that's because I haven't set the building height yet. Before I do that, I want to save this as an animation. So click on auto key and bring this to maybe half, so 45 seconds. Now we can change the building height, so maybe 50 meters or 30, it's too high. Yeah. So this is what we've got. And if I untick the auto key, now we should be able to see the simulation, so the building graph. Yeah. And what we can do is we can play with the setting and change the building height, or say you want to add another story on top of it. Just click on select tops and then go to modify list and select apply mesh select, mesh select, and then click on polygon again. So as you can see, it's highlighted the building tops, and now we can again assign Greeble, and over here we can change the second story height. But say I want to add this second story height appearing in the animation as well, I will do the same thing again. Click on the auto key and move this to the last second, and then change the building height. So if I change this to say 15 this time, and underneath we've got the rooftop, so you can select, and if you got this all selected, it will just randomly apply it on each building, or you can just choose one specific one. And I will just change the height of this as well, so maybe 10 meters. So this is what I mean, this is what we've got. So if I change this from 10 to 5, it will decrease. So let's just leave it at 10. And now if we untick the auto key and start the simulation from start, we should see the whole thing growing. So yeah, that's about it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.